Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add, let me show you, one second, premium advanced announcement bar that include everything that is really required for premium announcement bar, or that's actually make the premium announcement bar. So where your question is that where in this tutorials I'm going to show you how to add this premium announcement bar on Fabric theme. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to add the premium announcement bar like this one on your Shopify online store, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So here you can see that I have already completed the full process, make a ready premium announcement bar, and already included one of my Shopify free theme. So here you can see the P chart, moving text or running text, you can see smoothly, and if I hover it, it's stop. That's mean it has stop on hover P chart. Also the countdown with animation pop-up, if you look very carefully, you see it's jumping or pop up a little bit, you see. Also you can see that the icon is moving 360-degree. Also here is a zoom in and out effect on this icon. Also there are jumping effect, and looks very carefully, there is a animate background moving from left to right. So actually I have included everything. Now I'm going to show you the backend what you can control by using this premium announcement bar. So here you can see that I have used this premium announcement bar on, let me show you, one second, just take a little bit time. Use this premium announcement bar on the drone theme, and you can see that. Let me open. Just wait a little bit time. As usual, I'm going to click on this premium announcement bar, and you see I have added the option show or hide premium announcement bar. Its side is displaying seasonal theme. I included 6 seasonal theme, for example Christmas, winter, you see winter, New Year, yes, then Holion, perfect, Valentine, the lovely one, then summer, yes, and finally the custom one. So you see also we can change the custom message 1. Let me remove message, this is message 1. Then you can see the magic looks here, you will see, yes, this is message 1. You can see we can change the message 1, we can change the message 2, 3, everything as we like. Then here is the countdown timer, we can control the countdown timer, we can change the time of countdown timer. For example we just going to change it, for example make it 09. Then let's see, yes, then if I save, reload, you see here's the timer we have updated. Then the customize option, we can change the background color for custom theme, change the text color, countdown timer, border color, animate background gradient, animate border gradient. Also here is the animation settings like text scroll speed, we can control it from 25 to, we are going to make it 100. Okay, then we make it 60. You see now it's very smooth. If we move to 10, yes, you see, so let's keep it as it. Okay, also you can change the background animation speed, border animation speed. Here's the typography control way, font weight, font family, text shadow, everything. So I hope you understand what you can use or what you can control or do by using this premium announcement bar on your Shopify online store. Now I want to also share the benefit. I have already published the article in my website e-commerce thesis about the benefit. Immediate benefit you cannot ignore. Look here, here's the immediate benefit you cannot ignore. Increase conversion rate, competitive advantage, sales and revenue benefit, create urgency, promotional power, reduce bounce rate, and everything very relevant to increase the sales or improve the revenue of your Shopify online store. And right now I'm going to your theme that you are using. This is Fabric theme. So I'm going to start with the Fabric theme, how to edit on Fabric theme. Okay, so by default you can see that I have started working with multiple theme as I am a Shopify developer. So right now I'm going to show you how you can draw this in Fabric theme. That's why open the Fabric theme and let's see what is the default announcement bar or what can you do using this default announcement bar. So you can see that here is the Shopify IT Institute. This is my one of the learning platform. You can check out it in the Google and then you will find me definitely my learning platform Shopify IT Institute. Yes, you see this is the my learning platform. Okay, so let's go back and let's see what we can do in theme customize section. And click on the add section and you see announcement bar. I'm going to click on the announcement bar. This is the default announcement bar of this theme. You see Fabric theme, it looks very general. You can add text. Yes, you can add text on this announcement bar. You can add one text. Let's see, announcement bar, second text, yes, third text, and you can you can add link. Yes, that's good. You can add link, but you have no the seasonal theme like this one that I have developed. Okay, you are missing this one on your Fabric theme. Then you cannot control the background, control the font size, you cannot add countdown timer, you cannot add or control the speed. Everything is not available in here because I have developed this premium announcement bar by custom coding for my Shopify lover or Shopify user. That's why it's very important for you to use. So now the question is that how you can draw this on your Shopify online store, how you can edit. So here you can see that I have already uploaded a ready tutorials step-by-step guideline how you can add this. So here is the simple process. Just go to this link and you will find a simple form, get ready code, and here you will find the ready code snippet with full instruction how to implement this announcement bar and get the result. So this is very simple and easy step. You can do it by yourself by following the guideline. Also, you know that I'm working as a Shopify developer from last 6 years, so I'm continuously uploading video relevant Shopify store design, customize and development, also Shopify app review, theme review, and another special things is that I'm a Shopify SEO expert. So you see I have added the premium search bar in here that is fully AI powered and Ajax voice integrated. AI powered Ajax search, also voice command added. So for example, I'm going to search case. You see, yay, this is the game changing. You can control everything from here. Also, if I search in custom, yes, you see, here's the custom relevant product collection, everything. So that is amazing. I have added the snow on this website. Also added the transparent header on scroll only for home page. Also working right now how to add featured collection premium look or make it premium, then by default to advanced. I have to improve it. So everything is very helpful for my Shopify users because I'm a Shopify developer. I provide Shopify service, and anyone can contact with me for Shopify store design development and customization. So this tutorial is only for Fabric theme users, and thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.